Welcome snipers, and thanks for tuning in to our backtesting video that we took a trade in the London market open where this is a DAX, which is the German index GER30. This is on the 5-minute time frame. So we're going to start from about midnight leading into London to let you know how it was moving and why we took the trade when the market dumped. Let's look into this. So we are moving in a steady uptrend. You can see we're making higher lows off the bottom. So if we're to start a trend line, we can see that we are in an uptrend and it's slowly trending up. We're breaking this area of resistance to the left at 13,700, and so we're going to continue to follow the trend leading into London, pre-London. 2 a.m. is right here. This is pre-London now. So, and London opens at 3 a.m. We start charting at 2:45 and we start to trade the London market open. We can still see it's making higher highs and higher lows. Now it's 2:45, so we can see it got rejected up here. So what we can do is we can draw a supply area to notify us that there is supply up there. It did get rejected up there, so we are encountering some resistance. So maybe we're going to come back and maybe form a double top leading into London. So here's 2:55 and 3 a.m. now. So we are getting into London market. Here's London market open up. So what happened was they pushed it up bullish where it was an impulse break. It came down and it closed right here. So what we can do is we can start to see a neckline created right here. And what we're trying to look for is the M pattern 1, neckline 2, then we're looking for the break and a retest and the market to break trend and drop. So this is 3 a.m., 3:05. We have an inside bar where it opened, came back up, down, closed with some volume inside. So what we're looking for is we are looking for the potential sell short position below here. We're looking for this level to break. Let's walk it down. Okay, so we got our big bearish ignited 3-bar candle, 1 bar coming down, inside bar consolidation, ignited red bearish candle, come down, break this level of those wicks and coming down and closing below our key trend line. So we have our trend break with volume closing below. Now we're looking for an additional candle for a retest or a continuation. Some of us got in on the impulse candle and we also hit the retest candle. So here it was. It opened green, it came up to right here where it got rejected, and it got rejected at a key area to the left right here at these bodies. Okay, so we're looking over here where it got rejected. It held below this area and pushed down. So we entered a sell, we placed our stop loss. You can place it 50% of the red candle, or you can place it right there where it broke, and now we're running it down. We're looking to the left for key levels that we could possibly break, so that's what we tested. If we break there, we're going to come down to this area. If we break down there, we're going to possibly come down to this area. So let's watch. We were in sells, and this is when the market started to push down, pull back, lower high, lower low, open, pull back, lower high, continuing to push down to a lower low, and we're approaching 330. So there is the big push, guys. This was beautiful dump all the way down there, and leading into 330 we get a new 30-minute candle. So we were telling our snipers to secure profits because we could have a reversal in the market that could come back up bullish, and then we start to see some bullish momentum coming, retracing all the way back up. But the sell, the move was for a move of almost 200 pips, guys. So it started to break. We had a steady uptrend leading into London. We came up where we found supply at 13,800 area. We had the big rejection, London market open. We formed the M pattern. We broke with an ignited candle coming below. The volume closed below trend line. We had the retest, and then we had the momentum make lower lows and lower highs where it was a move for up to 200 pips. So we hope you enjoy these backtesting videos. We do these live in our private VIP London session with the snipers, and we'd love for you guys to join the team. visit www.stocksnipertrading.com for information and registration so you don't miss out on any of our live trades. And please remember to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys do not miss out on any of our next videos. Thank you guys. Really trend line right here, and maybe we go for a little ride, continuing to go down, guys. Okay guys, so we're breaking out now. Okay, it's trying to wick to the high. Okay, so if you guys are taking any trades, remember you're taking an impulse break. If we also add the 200, okay, we're just above the 200 on DAX. If I add the 200 here, it's approaching the 200. Okay, we could be pushing up on the 200, and one more on US30. We're just above the 200. Okay, so just keep that in mind. I also have to add the MFI indicator. Okay guys, so I'm not in a trade, you know, I'm still waiting. Okay, it's London market open. Okay, now we're dropping bearish. Okay, so it got rejected. Got rejected. No buys, guys. We didn't take no impulse moves. Okay, so now the market could come down to pick up some more liquidity, or we could start to go down bearish. Like right here, US30 could be forming a potential M pattern from right here, there. Now get rejected, and we're going to see if we can come down to here. We'll see if we can follow that path. Got a big rejection on NASDAQ at the supply at the 200 EMA. We could be pushing down. That's a nice candle. It made highs. Okay, so it picked up liquidity. Our MFI is actually going down a little bit. Okay, so we got some nice divergence. Here we go, guys. Let's see if we can tap our areas now coming down, and we'll focus here. Let's go, guys. Let's check this out. Big rejection up there. Okay, so if we take trades, we saw it got rejected. If we go sell, guys, let's get ready. Don't over leverage your accounts, guys. Use proper risk management. This could be an impulse candle coming down. It's going to close in 20 seconds on all of them. And but you see how it got rejected. So a lot of buyers got trapped up there. Okay, so sometimes you just got to wait it out. Don't go in too quick. It's just the first 5 minutes of London market open. So let's see what happens. Here's the candle closing. This is the first 5 minutes close. Now we're going into the next 5-minute candle. Let's see now if it comes back up. It's an ignited candle on DAX. We got an ignited candle. Let's see if it comes back to retest to hit the 200, or if we're going to continue to push down, test this area. Some traders are trading inside, you know, they're trading these candles inside, but if you don't have those advanced skills, it's a fast moving market. There's a lot of parts moving on a market open. Just like trading Wall Street open, it's just like trading any other major session. Sometimes just gotta wait it out 5, 10, 15 minutes. DAX is German 40 on Fusion. Yeah, German 30, German 40 are on there on Fusion. Yep. Okay, so as we're coming down, we're getting a wick. So that's showing there is some strength down there. There is buyers. Now our MFI is coming down to the 50 line. Okay, so MFI is coming down to 50. Again, it's a neutral area, showing that there is volume on both sides in here coming in. So still, it's an indecision, some indecision. So nice M pattern developing, nice big rejection wick at market open. I'm waiting for a little bit more. I want to see some actual momentum close below here, but I'm getting ready myself. We could also now increase this sell order right there on NASDAQ. I could put it like right below that demand area because I saw the big rejection. So maybe I'm going to anticipate a move coming right now. Here we go, guys. Get ready. Okay, this could be the impulse move on NASDAQ, US30, and DAX. So let's get ready. This could be the push down. Here we go. Let's see if we can break these carriers. And it's not just a break, guys. That could be the impulse move. We need a break, close below, a retest, and then we could drop in the market. Here we go. So we're testing the previous demand area. Okay, the M pattern. This is the neckline that we need to break, is the demand area. Same with NASDAQ, DAX. Okay, so it's finding buyers. We're still holding. 15 pips up and down real quick. If not, we're waiting. Okay, so look, we got rejected, coming down bearish again. This is going to be the final bar, and then we get our first 15-minute play of the London market open. So it's been pretty much indecision. Came up, back down, go back up, back down. This could be a bearish, engulfing, ignited candle, faking out both sides. Yeah, you're completely right. They're taking retail for a ride right now. So it's quick scalping if you guys are playing that, but if not, guys, I still see the M pattern. Now this one could be coming down with some more momentum like this, and again, if we get it, we get it down here, and then we could catch maybe a retest and a drop down here. Wojtek bearish, Tristan bearish. Don't please the 30. Yeah. DAX will go up. Okay, guys, DAX is actually, we're testing, guys. DAX is getting ready to break. Let's see what happens here. 2.5 more minutes to go, guys, and then we're going to get our first 15-minute candle. Might clean up a little bit more of the noise that just happened. So if I switch to 15, we got a nice big 15-minute candle getting rejected up there. NASDAQ is more of a indecision 15-minute candle, and here's US30. So they're a little bit different, but generally we are coming down bearish. Want to see if volume can break. Very critical area. We've got the hourly trend line there, hourly support, so a lot going on, and another wick, guys. So we could be, now we're pushing right back up. So this candle, 15-minute candle, could finish a little bit more bullish than an indecision bar. And maybe we do move up bullish. MFI is starting to get up to this area, the 80, okay, the dotted line. That is kind of like the default setting on these indicators, kind of like how RSI is the 30-70 area, just giving a heads up that things are getting overbought up there. It is moving on high volume as well up here. Oh, now DAX is breaking, okay? So DAX is breaking. Here we go. I'm gonna go on in a sell on DAX. Feeler sell right here, and I'm going to also watch how it closes because we got a new 15-minute bar opening in 1 minute. Okay, so I'm in the feeler sell on DAX because it did break the critical area I was looking for. Okay, so I want to see if it can drop a little further down to this red white line, but more importantly, I'm looking for DAX to close below here. Here we go. Okay, so it's coming down, guys. Here goes US30 and NASDAQ, very similar. Here goes DAX breaking. Let's see if it can hit the hourly level. If it does, we could potentially come down to here, but we need it to close below. We need it to close below. Okay, we're dropping. Get ready for US30 and NASDAQ, similar move. Okay, I'm already in the blue on DAX, already in the blue. There we go, guys. Guys, 10 pips on DAX right away. 10 pips on DAX. US30 and NASDAQ are not there yet, but get ready. DAX already 10 pips. We're closing in 10 seconds. Get ready for across the board, guys. 30 pips on DAX. Wojtek, nice, brother, nice. Okay, here we go, guys. Here's the next 15-minute bar. Okay. It opened red. Let's see if we can just get rejected quickly and we can push down a little bit more. Get ready for NASDAQ and US30. They're trying to break. This is a break. Okay, let's see if we can hold down. It's coming green. It's a new 15-minute candle. Let's see if they can exhaust this candle quickly. Okay. But that was quick 10 pips right there. Okay. Quick 10 pips coming down. Okay, so we got a rejection on DAX. There we go. That's what we want, that rejection. And now we want to come down, touch the hourly white line. So let's watch US30 as well. Okay, they're exhausting the green candle. All we got to do is just break these lows and it will continue falling. Guys, DAX looks like it wants a little more. If we can tap the white line and break, then we're breaking through this consolidated area. Then we look to the left and we could potentially fall a little further. Maybe we fall down to here and come down to this level right here. Okay, guys, 12 pips on DAX. Let's see if we can break that white line. Here comes US30 and NASDAQ. Here we go, guys. Get ready, sell, sell. Here we go. Guys, 20 pips almost on. We can possibly get out of DAX, 20. There we go, 20 pips on DAX. Let's go. Breaking that hour. There we go, guys. Let's grab some pips. Okay, and these ones gotta close too. Yeah, so US markets are holding a little stronger than the German exchange right now. Markets are moving fast, guys. Did some of you guys secure some pips on DAX? Okay, it dropped 20 plus pips, but we could be coming back down. Okay, it's coming back down bearish. We're testing the hourly. Richard, good job, guys. But let's see if we can break. Remember, this was a new 15-minute candle. So if I jump to the 15s, 15 was very bearish, came up. All we got to do is we're testing a key area. Okay, hourly support. If we can break down there with some nice 15-minute volume, then we can potentially come down to here and maybe to our next target. And look at the daily. The daily is right here. Here we go, guys. Let's go. Let's grab some pips here. US30, I see it's peaking. It's trying to break. Yeah, DAX. I like DAX setup, so that's why I took DAX tonight over NASDAQ and US30. I like the way how DAX was coming down. It started to break my key area here, so that's why I jumped in DAX. But these ones, they're trying to break. They're trying to break, but the volume will close below will give us a good indication. But I secured some pips down there, guys. So I secured it tried a couple times to break the hourly. I'm not getting greedy down there, so I secured profit down there, and now I'm going to continue to watch what's happening. Okay, we'll see how we exhaust this. Yes. Oh, look at that nice rejection, guys. That was a big oh, market is going to drop, guys. Here we go. Get ready. Markets are dropping. Look at that quick rejection. Did you guys see that? How it flipped and coming down? So let's watch this candle close in 10 seconds. We could get some nice sells on all three. Oh, that was a big rejection right there. Okay, candle bar closes. We close below the hourly support. Okay, so we just need now a retest, and these things can continue to go down bearish. And so this volume closed below. Yep, and it could come up to retest. Let's see if we can get a low weight. Yes, come on, drop. Let's go. So you guys in NASDAQ and US30, you guys can grab some pips. So NASDAQ, here we go. NASDAQ now, breaking. There we go, guys. Yes, you can get into a sell on any one, guys. Okay, dropping. We can go back into sells. Yes, guys, I just went in for a sell on NASDAQ or DAX and just picked up another 20 pips. Yes, there we go, guys. Quick, yes. Drop, let's eat, let's go. Let's come down to the daily if we can. But I just went in really quick on that and just picked up the fastest 20 pips. DAX 55, Richard. Shit, I love it, guys. Okay, we're coming down. Look to the left, we could come down to here, but secure some pips too, guys. The markets are moving very fast, okay. So when it came down there, 20 pips, I grabbed another 20 pips. Fast scalping, guys. Okay, but now DAX is getting rejected. So they're not really moving the same, like US30 and NASDAQ. US30 and NASDAQ look like they were coming down. I might even go in again, guys. Whoa, here we go. US30, let's eat, guys. Here we go. For those guys that are still holding, if NASDAQ breaks right here, guys, we're gonna get a continued drop. DAX looks like it wants to come down. But if you guys want to secure some pips, by all means, secure some pips. Look to the left, guys. Here we go. US30 is dripping. Let's go, guys. All you guys coming down to here. If we break right there, then next target is right in here. Okay, so I'm gonna put the green box down there. Could come down. Oh my God, Shrek, 60 pips on US30. Tristan, your boss, still holding DAX. Kyle, 15 pips in and out. Good job, guys. I love it. Oh man. Okay, so we've pretty much destroyed the London market open on indices. I want you guys to watch your trades, guys. I want to do some other securities for everybody else, but I think we got to look at gold and maybe some currency pairs, because we literally destroyed London market open. We didn't fall for any of the head fakes, guys. We were patient, disciplined, and we just catch blue trades. So make sure you guys secure too, at least 80% down here. You know, don't let, because one green candle could come right back up near 330. Okay, so secure, guys, because I'm gonna get off these charts too. Okay, I'm gonna secure. Andrew, you made 350 bucks on $1 a pip, and the Nasdaq's if we break like right here. But I would be securing, okay? I already secured. I secured DAX. Like I went in for a couple sells on DAX, but it, oh my God, if DAX breaks this yellow daily, look to the left, our song, look to the left, everyone. We could be coming down to here. Here we go, guys. Let's ride. Holy, we caught the London drop. We caught it, guys. Very, very nice. DAX is dropping. Look at it coming down. Exactly where we put our lines, it's coming back. Oh my goodness, guys. If you guys are running runners, you guys are getting paid. Here we go. Oh my God, guys. We caught the whole move. 72 pips running Tyrone. my guy. I love it. Look at the drop. From here to DAX is 112 pips right now. DAX, 112. Right here, NASDAQ, the sell from down there, running almost 60 pips, guys. Holy shit. US30, we got the market sell 140 pips on US30. Could do the quick fill all the way down to here. My God, when I told you guys we're entering bear market. Nasty 15-minute candles, I believe it. These are nasty 5-minute candles. Look at those 15s. Those are dirty. I love it. I love scalping London session with you guys. Amazing. Mohammed made 500 bucks. Shukran Habibi, enjoy it. Eid Mubarak for you on Monday. Guys, look at, like, I don't even, like, I'm just watching, guys. I'm watching you guys collect money. I'm continuing to chart for you guys, but we're breaking key structural areas. Breaking key areas, guys. Like, this is just dropping. Yeah, make sure you guys give the kids some nice Eid presents with all these pips. Guys, beautiful. Like, what can I say? You know, if you guys want, you can take a day off of trading. If you guys have hit your daily goals, you guys have hit your daily pips. We caught everything on that. We caught everything, basically everything. And it's still dropping, guys. It's still dropping. Oh my God, guys, if we break right here, like, this is a market like sell off. Like, this is, look at the purple line on DAX. Remember the purple lines? That is my daily low. That is the entire, let me show you the daily candle, guys, to show you what is going on here. Let me just go to DAX right here. Look at the daily candle, guys. Look at the rejection on today's. It was all London. It was right now. We caught. Remember, this was a green. Remember Harami when we started? It was coming all the way up to here. We broke the daily high, but we never fell for it. We waited patiently. That's where they trapped all the retail coming up there. That was a big green candle. Now it's completely coming down. This could be forming into a shooting star. And if we break this And now that gap, that was the gap fill when we opened, when we started our webinar. That was the gap up. If it breaks down there, there's the daily. This thing can drop later today, but it could get respected right here. But that's what's going on right there. Unbelievable. Look at the markets just dropping. So MFI indicator, this was our indicator today of choice that we used. You see it broke the 50 and we're coming all the way down. So this one, it is very, very similar to RSI, but it incorporates the volume as well. So it's a 2-in-1 indicator. There was bearish divergence we caught up there and we didn't fall for the buy. And see guys, we go for pips, guys. We don't fool around at SST. Look at this. If we break the purple line, we're coming down to next daily low, 13,530. Holy shit. These could be 200 plus pip moves in 30 minutes. Look at US30. The tape from there, 180 pips right now, guys. Whoo, mashallah. I love it, Jongar. I love it, bro. Guys, make sure they're opening up with ignited red candles. Like, I can't make this up. Like, they want to drop the market, but there's going to be a little bit of a pullback. So this is unbelievable. If it breaks, guys, if if NASDAQ breaks that daily, it's going to come down to here, 12,800. My goodness. Wow. iPad, I'll go over and I'll show you exactly which MFI I'm using. Okay, I'll go over that near the. I'll find out which one, because I have it saved in my from a while ago. But I'll show you exactly which one I'm using. Okay, guys. So please secure a little bit. It's 3:30, new 30-minute candle. It may retrace back up, but if you guys have 100 plus pips. Whatever it is, please secure some profit. So I'm okay.